How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be talking about my travel camera setup. So I'm going to Europe and I'm going to be super minimal. So all I'm bringing is the Sony a7C with a 10 to 18 f4 Sony lens and the 17 to 28 Tamron lens, which is on the a7S II right now. This is the PGYTech Mantis Pod Vlogging Mini Tripod Pro with this quick release plate. So it just slides right in here. I can turn it around and start vlogging. Obviously, for the microphone, we need something, right? So what do I got? I got the DJI Mic, the best travel microphone, in my opinion, for quality and everything else. So we got a clip that I can either stick on the camera or stick on myself if I am doing the talking. And we got the receiver, of course, stick right into the hot shoe up here and then plug into the mic jack. So the really cool thing about this tripod specifically, besides the fact that it's really small and the best vlogging tripod in my opinion, is it actually has a cold shoe mount down here. So I can even use this as a shotgun microphone. If I want to put it down here, you can actually spin this in any direction you want, right? So I can have it pointing towards me when I'm vlogging. I can have it pointing towards the subjects. I can kind of use it as a shotgun mic in that way, just kind of crazy. And I can even point it towards me while the camera's pointed this way if I want to narrate something. Super cool. A lot of flexible things you can do with just this setup. Only other thing I'm bringing obviously is a bunch of SD cards and a couple extra batteries, but that's really all I need for my camera equipment, plus the Ray-Ban Metas, of course, because these are the best POV filming strategy that we all can use, and you can get so many things when you don't have your camera on you just with a tap of a button. So sweet. So that is all of my minimalist camera gear right here. Check it out. All this stuff is in the description. The camera, the lenses, the mic, and the tripod, and the quick release plate. Because what would it be without that? Nothing. It would be nothing without that. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is just telling you not to overcomplicate it. 30 days in Europe. This one other lens in this is all that I need to film like crazy. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be a crazy adventure. I have so many fun videos. A couple fun videos, but like really long projects planned for you. It's gonna be insane. All right. Peace.